So now we are going to create a calculator app using Express.js. Now to do so, first we need to start our new project. So join directory into your desktop. Now on your desktop, we're going to make a directory, and that directory we're going to call it cal. So after making our cal directory, I'll go to Sublime Text. And then when I am in Sublime Text, I'll remove this folder from the project. I'll come here to project, and then I'll add folder to project. Go to my desktop. In my desktop, I look for cal, and then select that folder of cal. Now in this folder of cal, I'm going to create a new file, and the file I'm going to call it calculator.js. So after creating my calculator.js, I will go back to my command prompt, change into the directory cal. When I'm in the directory cal, I'm going to do npm init. I'm going to initialize npm. So as npm is getting initialized, my package name will be cal. My version 1.2 description will be simple calculator app. Then my entry point will be my calculator.js, and then test command git, then author. I forgot to write my author. Okay, but okay, it's okay. Yes. Then I am done initializing npm. Then I need to install Express. So I'll say npm install Express, and then Express will get installed. But this may take some time to install Express, depending on the internet. It will depend on your internet speed, the time it will take. The Express has finished installing. So after Express has installed, you can come back here to Sublime Text, and you can see everything is working properly. Now since everything is working properly, what I'm going to do is start my, let's not first start our server. So then here we need to require Express. So I'll say const Express will equal to require. Then I need to type in the module name, which is Express. That is the one for Express. Then I need to create an app. So I'll say const app will equal to Express. Then that will be how I start my app. Then on my app, I need to listen on a certain port, which I will choose port 3000, but you can choose any port to listen on. So I'll say I want to listen on port 3000. Then I will have to put in a callback function, which will help to display something to the screen when my server is started. So what I'll console.log when my server has started, tab, I'll console.log the server has started. Call the calculator server has started. The calculator server has started. So if my calculator server has been started, that is how I'm going to start doing my calculator project. So in the next video, we shall dive deeper into how to set everything up for our calculator project. Thank you for watching.